Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Ebonyi People TV. First of all, let me start by wishing all of us a happy new month, and as well as wishing Ebonyi State a very happy 28th birthday. Wow, it's been 28 years of growth, progress, and great milestones, of course. And guess what? We've got more amazing news to celebrate Ebonyi State today. Now, to the gist of the day, without wasting much of your time, we have an exciting update straight from the Commissioner of Commerce and Industry. If you're into big development and infrastructure, then this one is for you. So, the Ebonyi Pipe Production Industry in Ezzamgbo in Ebonyi State has officially kicked off full operations. Yes, that's right. Unlike the last time where they told us the industry has started full operations, but now this is legitimate news. They have truly started operations and they've started producing. The industry is now producing pipes in various sizes and gauges for all your needs. The Ebonyi Pipe Production Industry has started producing 20 mm, 25 mm, 32 mm. Then there's also the 75 mm, the 110 mm, as well as the 125 mm and the 140 mm. I think there's also the 160 mm. The industry now operates in a complete form with potential of distributing varying pipes to consumers. Talk about variety. This is a major milestone for Ebonyi State, and all credit goes to our talk and do governor, His Excellency Right Honorable Francis Ogbonna Nwifuru. Thanks to his vision, the industry is now set up to distribute these high quality pipes to consumers across the region and even beyond. Before we continue, a special birthday shout out to one of our awesome viewers, Mr. Paul Ndubuisi from Ebonyi State. We at Ebonyi People TV wish you nothing but joy and unending blessings as you celebrate your special day today. Thank you for always staying tuned to our channel, and for the rest of you who've got birthdays coming up soon, reach out to us at 0805 604 1648. Send us your name, where you're watching us from, and maybe a photo so we can celebrate with you on our channel. And it gets even better. His Excellency has approved training and employment for 20 Ebonyians at the factory. Jobs, my people, real jobs. We've got extruder operators, recycling operators, mixer operators, and even mechanical and electrical engineers to occupy this position, ready to keep this place running like a well-oiled machine. We are not just talking about production, we are talking about quality. The pipes are top-notch and we are ready to take orders. So if you're in need of durable and high-quality pipes, look no further. Ebonyi Pipes has got you covered. This is just another example of the great things happening under Governor Nwifuru's administration, and we're excited to share this with you all. We can confidently say that the Ministry of Commerce and Industry is beyond grateful for this huge milestone. Okay, that's all from us today, our dearest viewers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Happy New Month to everyone once again. Happy birthday to Ebonyi State. Until next time, stay blessed and keep supporting Ebonyi People TV.